Hi everybody and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency analysis. It's your guy here, the altcoin doctor here, bringing in the latest cryptocurrency analysis on your favorite coins. And if you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on the subscribe button, as we would be bringing you all the latest analysis as regards all your favorite cryptocurrencies. And without further ado, let us move to the coin of today. And today we would be looking at Jasmy coin, and as you can see, we're pushing up the ranks at about 133 with our market cap of $282 million. We have a 24-hour volume of about $45 million, right? And as you can see right down here, for the month we are up about 28.5%, and for the week we are down just about 11%. And at the time of recording, we are up about 1.6%. And so without further ado, let us move to the charts and see what's next for Jasmy, right? And today I would be telling you why I believe this is the last shakeout for Jasmy, right? And as you can see, drawn right above here is our support and resistance levels. And one thing you would have noticed, one thing you might have noticed is that you can see right down, even we are on the Jasmy versus the USD Theta on the daily time frame, and Binance is the data source. You would have noticed that, right? Sorry, that is a mistake. We came in right down here into this level, even for Jasmy, and as you can see, since then we held it at a support to the 0.004 level, and since then we have been steadily pushing up, right? We are pushing even to the downside, and as you can see, we are currently holding our support. So one thing we could see is, right, because most of the times the whale want to get you out of your positions before they switch it over to the upside. So we could see some kind of huge push to the downside. So we could see the whales push it to the downside before we have some huge push even to the upside. And they do that just to shake you out of your position. So we could see a push to the downside just to get a lot of people selling, a lot of people bearish, and they are going to push it over to the upside. And so as you can see, because we are steadily pushing downside, we should be expecting one last shakeout even for everybody before we see a very huge push to the upside. And I'll be giving you more data to support that we are seeing probably one of the last shakeout before a very huge push to the upside, right? If we bring up our indicators, which we love to do, as you can see, the oscillator is already having some sort of hidden bullish divergence, and we love using the oscillator because we said it's a leading indicator and it shows us what price it's doing and where price is going to be in the coming. It gives us a higher probability of what price is going to do, and as you can see, we are already turning right to go back even to the upside. So probably we should just expect some little push to the downside, and then we could see further push even to the upside. If we look at the money flow, as you know, the money flow helps us understand what is happening behind the scenes and how much money is flowing into the system even for Jasmy. And as you can see, more money has already been coming into Jasmy, right? And you can see we have seen some kind of hidden bullish divergence right here, even on the money flow. As you can see this right here, huge hidden bullish divergence even on the money flow. So we should be expecting some sort of probably a pump from here, or some last shakeout before we see the pump. If we shift over to this chart, as you can see right down here, we have been saying that every single time our stochastic was at the bottom, this was the best time to buy. And as you can see, though some stochastic is giving us some kind of little strength, as you can see, Jasmy is not having that strength at the moment. So we could have some sideways action, like we said, probably some little fake out before a huge push to the upside. As you can see, sometimes stochastic can still like linger at the bottom. So as you can see, we could still have some little lingering, and our 3 days time frame give us a better example as to what is happening. As you can see right down here, holding our support, but our stochastic is probably pushing to the downside. So we need our stochastic to come down to the downside. As you can see right down here, if you had just bought when the stochastic was down at the 3 days time frame, you will always catch the bottom. As you can see right down here, That was the bottom for Jasmy. Same thing right down here. That was the bottom for Jasmy. So if we are to push higher, we could see the stochastic push down a little bit so that we can move higher the more. So we could see some sort of little consolidation, even some little fake out to the downside before we see a huge push to the upside, right? And so that is what we are expecting for the price of Jasmy. As you can see also, if we come to this chart which has the altcoin doctors indicator, and as you know, for some of you that has been with the channel, you know this tells us when the price is bearish, bullish. As you can see, when the price is bullish, indicator turns green, and when price is bearish, it turns red. And as you can see, currently we are bearish, and so we could just have some little consolidation sideways action before we see a huge push to the upside. So that is what we should be expecting on the price for Jasmy in the medium to long term. So please don't be shaking out of your positions. As you can see, we are very bullish, and we are just expecting to see some push to the downside even for the stochastic, so we can see a huge push to the upside. So this is the scenario we are favoring, a huge down push to the downside to fake a lot of people, and then we could have a huge push to the upside. As you can see, all our indicators support such statistics, and so that is what we're expecting. So if you like the channel and you like the analysis, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.